There are lots of different types of hydrangeas and they're all really lovely. But today I thought I'd just take a few minutes to talk you through the different types, and hopefully then you'll be better informed and better able to make a good choice for the right one or two for your own garden. So the first group I'm going to talk about are the macrophyllars, this one here and that one in the front. Now these are probably the most easily recognized group of the hydrangeas. They form a nice dense mound of foliage above which the flowers appear in midsummer. And you either get these, which are called mop heads, so giant domes of flower, or you can also get these lace cap flowers. And these are quite different. You get a little cluster of fertile flowers here in the middle, surrounded by these really showy sterile flowers around the outside, and they sort of form a little sort of, well, lace cap, as the name suggests. The second group of hydrangeas that I'm going to talk about are the paniculatas. Now, as the name suggests, these produce their flowers in this conical shaped panicle. They're more upright in habit, and they tend to produce their flowers on new wood, so wood that's produced each year. So they respond quite well to hard pruning, and you can cut them back really quite low. This is another one, a more mature one obviously, and as you can see on many of them, the flowers emerge white and then they start turning this sort of rose pink colour as the flowers mature. Paniculata hydrangeas are more tolerant of shadier conditions, so they're really good under trees in a woodland setting. So two other notable groups are the quercifolia or oak-leafed hydrangea, and as the name suggests, it produces these oak-like leaves. It's very attractive, and these turn sort of coppery bronze, almost sort of clarity colour in the autumn before they're shed. It's also a later flowering form, so as you can see here, the flowers, they will be white once they open, but it's only just now starting to open its flowers. And also the arborescens, which produces these massive dome-shaped clusters of flowers, and the foliage again is quite a fresh green, and it will turn buttery shades. It's just starting to do that now in the autumn again before it's shed. And last but not least, this is a climbing hydrangea, subspecies petiolaris, and these stems, when they're untied from the cane, eventually will produce aerial roots along the stems here, and those attach themselves to walls and fences. So eventually this plant will become self-supporting. You don't need to put up lots of wires and things for it to twine around. This too produces clusters of smaller white flowers in the summer, and again is very pretty and is probably one of the best options for a north-facing wall. So there we have it, and I hope that just gives you a bit better idea of which hydrangea is just right for you.